there, I'm fitness model Michelle Jacot. It's a beautiful day, sunny California. As you can see, we're on the beach here. I'm going to show you an awesome workout to get sexy legs and... Alright, first we're going to start with jumping squats. Remember to sit your butt back, jump up into the air, and just make sure that your knees aren't over your toes when you do it, okay? Those really take my breath away. We're going to rest 1 minute and move on to the next exercise. Alright, next exercise, we're going to do one-legged squats. And to balance, if you're better at balance, you don't need to use the bar, but today we're going to. The focus on this one is not to put too much pressure on the back leg, and you're really going to use your butt muscles, isolate them, and use that more so, okay? Really make sure to keep that weight on the back heel through, okay? Really work that butt. And once again, make sure you don't put the knee over the toe, front toe.